Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And as you can see behind me, I've got a 2017 Chevy Cruze. I'm getting ready to show you. This thing's got under 8,000 miles on it. Check this out. Tell you what, this car is sharp. I mean, the color on it, blue. Wait till you see the interior of this thing. It's black cloth. Now this is the RS. As you can see right here, it does have a turbocharged engine in it, 1.4 liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged. So you're going to get increased horsepower, but you still have good fuel economy with this. And this thing does have a sunroof in it. Yep. So let's get back here. I'm going to show you a little bit about this car, and it does have a backup camera just to show you. Right there it is. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk open. Kind of amazing how that works, but boy, you're talking about a lot of space back here. You can actually throw your whole family back here. There's so much space. So continue to do our walk around. We're going to go on the driver's side here. Take a peek here. Let's take a look in the back. There you go. Black cloth interior, excellent condition. There's your sunroof up there. Let's get up there and take a peek. Before we hop in, I wanted to show you what the door panel looks like, your controls. And you do have automatic seat adjustments on your driver's seat. So let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, wanted to show you the inside. This thing is nice, I tell you. It's got LCD command center on this. Beautiful trim around your gear shift. Pan up here, show you your sunroof, but let me go ahead and pull in a little close, show you the gauges on this. There's the mileage, guys. As of now, 7,987 miles. So you're going to be able to have the factory of the remaining Chevrolet warranty that came with this. You're going to be able to pick that up for that peace of mind. You've got controls here for your cruise control on your steering wheel. Bluetooth hook up to your phone so you can control all of that. Now you do have a push button, start and stop right there. So just apply your brake, push the button, bam, it's going to start for you. So go over here to your command center. So you got all the options right there. Get down here, your climate control and auxiliary inputs. As you can see, USB, MP3 player, round connector, then your 12 volt. I want you to look at the space that is back here. Look at that leg room. I mean, it's just insane the amount of room that is in this car. This thing is gorgeous. Now, before we go, I wanted to show you, there is the backup camera. I've got it in reverse, and it comes right on. I'm going to shove it up in park, and it disengages. Pretty sweet with this one, guys. Pretty sweet. One more thing I wanted to mention. It's got a Bose stereo system, so this thing will kick your rear end. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. It's a great car, 2017 Chevy Cruze RS, turbocharged 1.4 liter engine in it. Great price on this thing, ridiculously low miles on it. If you got any questions, give us a phone call. This car, I really don't think will last long. But anyway, our phone number up here is area code 740-992-4443. Come up for a test drive. Wanted to mention just briefly financing. With this car, we've got a lot of lenders that are eager to lend money right now. So if you are on the market, I encourage you to get hold of us. You could potentially get this car with low money down, possibly even no money down. A lot of customers are driving out, basically just sign in and drive, sign their name, drive the car home. So there's no harm in at least checking it out. You know, what if yes, you get a big old yes and you get to drive this little beauty home. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.